We got another one coming. December 23rd, Friday, 9:10 p.m. Around 9:30, it'd be a 9 o'clock train coming. Every single night. Yesterday, the same thing. Every single night, it'd be a 9 o'clock train coming. BNSF. With a k5hl train horn. The same train, the same damn time. Always. You see, it is coming right now. And my phone is getting rained on. So hopefully my phone won't get messed up. He's coming right now. Yeah, and he's flickering his lights too, so might be out. Phone will get messed up. Yeah, he's down there on Harrison Street right now. It sounds like a BNSF though. That's what it sounds like, but you know, some of them trains got different horns though. And let me step back a little bit. Yeah, I know I'm talking too much, so what? It's my fucking video. Shit. Up, here he comes. Ding, 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 ding. Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1. Messed up 2 times. Do the shit 2 times. Hey, hey, 2 times. Record the second train 2 times. Damn, look how the gate's bouncing. I don't know why they always do that. And them gates ain't even down yet. It is Norfolk Southern. I've been catching a lot of Norfolk Southern lately. Container train. The other one yesterday was a BNSF with the same type of horn. But this one today is a Norfolk Southern with the same type of horn, the same type of train. So they must be delivering a lot of heavy stuff. This is the bonus. A lot of public saying it's not enough space. Yeah, now. Train from the other direction, it switches off on another track and handles a bunch of rail yards. And again, he's traveling on joints and rail. My hands freezing like fuck. The train is going so fast, the gates bouncing like a motherfucker. Space on my phone. Running out of space here. Hey, this thing carrying truck trailers too. That's a lot of money too. Oh, through. I like that rhythm on the track.